my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Iyana and you want to go ahead and press subscribe. Okay guys, in today's video, as you can tell, my hair look different. So I put some passion twist in, y'all. I've been wanting to do this style for a while because I always do my Marley twist, but I was like, let me try this passion twist because it's kind of similar to Marley twist, but you're just using a different type of hair. So I decided to try out some passion twist, y'all, about the hair and everything. So you'll find out all those details in the video. It's like the same exact method and on how to put Marley twist in. So I'll link the video up here and down below because I've done Marley twists majority of my life. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something, and keep on watching. Alright guys, so I'm about to go ahead and get started. So my hair is freshly washed. I just washed it probably about 2.5 hours ago, I believe, an hour and a half ago. So my hair is freshly washed. The type of hair I'm using is the Lulu Tresses Water Wave 18-inch and a 27. Y'all, my journey for this beauty supply store chronicles was hard. Like, I could not find this hair anywhere, and if they had it, it was like completely not my color. Even though this is not my color, it was either this or 613, and the 613 is way too light, so 27 is fine with me. I'm going to be using this, and then I also bought like these loose strands. This is by Free Tress. It's the Cocoa Curl, and that's in the 27 as well. So that's for like the loose hairs that be out and stuff like that. So this is for that. But I bought 11 packs of this hair, the Lulu Tress. I really bought the whole, like, all that was on the shelf. I bought everything, so I'm sorry I wasn't being considerate, but I bought 11 packs of this because I wanted to make sure I had enough hair because I did not want to run out and be looking like a fool. So I bought 11 packs. I did look up some videos on how to do passion twist. I've seen some people will braid their roots first, and then like there's a rubber band method. I'm going to use the method of like twisting it into your hair, like scalp, like rolling it like this and then twisting it. Exactly similar to how I do my Marley twist. It's just a different piece of hair now. So I'm going to be doing that same technique though, how I did my Marley twist. If you have not seen that video, it's up here. Go ahead and look at it, and it'll be in the description box if you want to look at it. Everybody had the water wave hair, and it does give you that effect of the twist is like all crinkled. So I'm going to be using the water wave hair. We're going to go ahead and stop rambling, and I'm going to hop into getting this stuff ready. I'm also going to be moisturizing my hair with some cream and oil, and I'm going to put some gel in my hair to make it sleek. But let's stop rambling, and we're going to get into this video. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to untwist all my hair so I can part it correctly. But I'm not really big on like clean parts unless it's like dead in the front. I'm going to probably use my fingers to part for right now. I'm just going to part half of my head from ear to ear. Like I said, I'm not really worried about getting extremely clean parts as long as they look decent. So I got my first row section off. I just put a plastic cap on my head so my hair won't dry out. In case you were wondering, I was using the Taliah Waajid apple and aloe, the green apple and aloe nourishing curl elixir, and then I sealed it in with the Melanin Haircare oil. And then I'm gonna also be using the Main Choice Pearl Braid Out Glaze, but that's all I have in my hair right now. And then I'm gonna go ahead and fluff this hair out. So this is the hair right here. So I'm gonna just take 2 of these strands of hair. So this is 1 and 2 strands. The video I had looked at, the girl, she was separating the hair like this, just pushing her thumb through the hair and then leaving this area up here intact, because this is the area that will be put onto your scalp so you can twist it. So this is how the hair looks separated and fluffed out, and I just left the ends intact. So I got my hair section off. I'm just gonna pull one end of the twist. I mean, not just one end of one hair and one end of the other hair. so it can be uneven, so it can be a little longer. So all I'm doing is taking my piece of hair, splitting it in half like this. So I have one piece right here and one piece right here. And then I'm gonna take the hair and place it right in the middle of where my hair is parted at or separated at. And I'm gonna take one section with my hair and the synthetic hair, and then just twist it and just hold on to it. Hold on to the twist as you go around. And then I'm gonna do the other side the same way, twisting it in the same direction, clockwise and clockwise. Once I do that, I take the two strands and cross them while still twisting to help tighten it to the scalp. And then once I do that, I just regular 2-strand twist all the way down. Once I get to where my ends stop, I just put a little bit of the gel or the glaze on it. So I'm gonna take one more strand of hair, and where my hair starts to end at, I'm just gonna place this one strand of hair in between and then just twist how I did at my scalp, and then 2-strand twists, just cross them. I usually also do that to also make the twist longer as well. That's a trick if you want your twist to be super long. So this is the first twist. I didn't pull or anything, so this is just how it is naturally. That's why I think when you get the water wave hair, that's the best type of hair to get. If it says water wave, it has a little curl at the end. Beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this whole section. Okay guys, so it's the next day. It actually got like super late and I started my hair late. So I didn't go to bed till like 1 o'clock, and I just left this piece for today. So this is all the hair I've done so far. It's really long. I was not trying to make it that long, but we gonna be extra and we gonna accept it. It's so long. It's like right here to my butt area. So this is the hair. It's coming along pretty nicely. I really like it. The hair is like really soft and like airy and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this area. Today I just wanted to show you guys like a small area in the front. So I just separated this piece of hair off and I moisturized it and stuff. So this is a small section right here, and then I'm just gonna split it in half. So I split it in half like this, and then I'm going to take 2 strands of the hair and then just run my thumb through there to fluff it out. But I don't run my thumb all the way down through the end because I want the ends to stay intact. And then the area where I split my hair in half, I just take this middle piece of the hair right here, place it in the center where I split my hair in half, and then twist my hair into the synthetic hair, and then twist the other side. I'm twisting the same way, so I'm doing like this. So once I do that, then I'm going to go ahead and cross the two to form a 2-strand twist, and then I just twist normally. Also, I started doing the pull-up method on my twist because I did like how that looks. But once I make it like halfway to like where my hair starts to end, I grab a 3rd piece of hair and then I just place it where my hair is and the twist is, and I just twist it together. And once I start getting towards my ends, I go ahead and put some extra glaze at my ends. I'm twisting tightly and I'm also pulling, like doing like this. And then once I get to the end, I just twirl my fingers around. I twirl my fingers around the twist, and then I just let the twist go, and I just slide my finger up, and then I just cut the straggly ends off like that. And then this is the twist right here. So that's all I've been doing around my whole head, except for my edges. I will come back and show you what I do around the twist that's around my edges. But that's what I've been doing for the majority of my hair though. Okay guys, so I'm on my last twist finally. I'm going to show you this last piece on what I do around my edges so they don't be frizzy and they look sleek. So I just put a little bit more moisturizer on my edges and at the roots of my hair, so that isn't dry. And then I take some of the Glaze and put that on my edge and at the root. And then the last thing I do is I put a little bit of this edge control. This is by Eden Body Works. It's a coconut and shea edge control. So I'm just putting that on my edges and then on the part, even though I'm not gonna wear my hair in the middle, but I'm just putting some on my edges. And that's all I do to the front, around my edges, to keep them from not being too puffy. So once I put all that on, I'm gonna go ahead and twist it up. Okay, so now I'm finally done putting all of these twists in. So this is how it looks. I'm going to be wearing mine on the side though. I always wear my part on the side. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put in some hair jewelry and some hair thread. So these two, and I got this from my local beauty supply store. Okay guys, so I ended up putting my hair up into like this high half up and half down type of style, but this is my hair all finished, y'all. I changed and everything so I can look spicy, but I'm getting ready to go somewhere. So this is my passion twist. They're super long. They're like down to my hip area. They're really cute. They're really pretty. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned something and hopefully it was easy to follow. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to share. Sharing is caring, so go ahead and share the video, because you know somebody that want to do some passion twists. So go ahead and share the video. All right, don't forget you're beautiful, you're strong, you the best music, and I will see you guys in my next one.